Greetings, everyone. Welcome to another episode of T. Gresh Realty Tours. I'm your real estate queen, Tanita Gresham. All right, today we are going to take a tour through 2303 Drake Mill Lane in Southwest Concord, North Carolina. As you can see, this wonderful beauty here has a nice driveway which leads up to the two-car garage and a great, beautiful porch area. If you are all wondering what comes with this community, I can tell you right now it has an outdoor pool. You have a fitness center. You have schools that are actually built into the neighborhood. So let's look over here to the right. As you come into the entryway, this has been turned into and converted into an office space, which is great for a lot of people that work from home. You do have a little formal entry area, which I think is set up and decorated very nicely here. So it does give you an entranceway. You have a coat closet right here to the side, which leads to your formal dining area. Very spacious, you all, for those of you who like to entertain for the holidays. All right, this does give you a semi-formal open concept. This is a great spacious area right here. This is your living quarters. So you have a lot of space for entertaining, conversational pieces, which also flows very nicely over into your gourmet kitchen. You all look at this. This is a beautiful kitchen setup, very open concept, recessed lighting. For those of you who like to cook, you get your stainless steel appliances that does convey with the home. Everything matches. Barnyard door is included here. I think this is a really cute feature that's added to the home. Let's slide it back so you can see how that works. This is your pantry area, so you're not fighting with the door. Doesn't get in your way of your guests or your company, and you just slide it back over. Another great feature I love about this home is going to be the mud area that comes off of the garage wall. Of course, this is going to be your two-car garage. Right over to the side, you have storage space. And then over to this side, when you come in, you do have a powder room. So for guests, if they're seated in the kitchen, they can walk right over here. They don't have to walk through your home. And of course, you have some seated space here. But again, I love this kitchen, see? So all of the people that are chefs, you know, in the neighborhood, or if you want to entertain in the neighborhood, have them on over for a nice dinner, a nice meal. You can seat 1, 2, 3, probably 4 people comfortably here at this nice countertop piece. You have another eating area over here, which could be like a breakfast nook. Plenty of natural lighting. You get 3 full-size windows. I just love this feature. It feels so comfortable. And of course, outdoor entertainment is extremely important now that we're approaching summertime. So as you can see, they've set up this beautiful space, so comfortable. I mean, look at the ceiling fans that you get here, and they've decorated with the lighting. Of course, you could decorate this to your own liking, but I think this is a beautiful additional place that they've added here. And it's screened in, so you don't have to worry about the insects. This overflows nicely into the backyard, you all. So you get some nice green space if you have dogs, if you have children, or if you just like to entertain. You do have room out here for your grill. And it's a very peaceful neighborhood. Very beautifully maintained. I love the yard and the grass. All right, so since we have looked at the downstairs area, I know you are all probably interested in the upstairs area. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on my footies because we're gonna protect the carpet. And there are 16 steps up here, but it has a really good elevation, so it's not too steep. Here y'all, I'm coming up the steps. Again, this is nice elevation, so it's not too steep. I don't feel out of breath. 16 steps is very doable. And over to the side, we do have a laundry area. So when you come right on over here, you get a full-size washer and dryer. And then there's plenty of space for shelving in case you want to hang whatever you have going on for storage. Right when you come up the steps, you do have a full-size bathroom area, full-size shower, vanity, everything's right there. And now I'm going to lead you over to bedroom number 1, which is very spacious. Let me show you the room. This is how much space you have, you all. It's a very open room, nice flow to it. You get natural lighting in here, and of course you do have a closet. I'm pretty sure you can fit a queen size, even a king size bed if you wanted to in here. Over here, we're gonna get your loft area, and to show you how big it is, this is a big furniture piece. So you can comfortably seat 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 5 people in here and still have some room right here if you wanted to have a drink or such. Watch some TV, step out the room. You don't have to go downstairs, entertain upstairs. Bedroom number 2 flows nicely over here. They even have an exercise bike. So just think about it. You can get right out of your bed, pick up your weight set, work out. You don't have to go to the gym. And again, great space in here as well. Nice natural lighting. Coming out of there, you're gonna have a linen closet area to store some things right there. But this is gonna be your primary ensuite, and I think this is one of the great features of the home. Ladies, I know you're gonna love this because it has 2 full-size closets, plenty of space, tray ceilings, ceiling fan. You get a walk-in closet over here to your side, nicely tucked away. 3 windows for natural lighting, which I absolutely love, okay? And I think this doesn't convey with the house, but it could. They have one of these oversized mirrors, which I think any lady would love. It's a dream to have one of those if you want to have a little dressing decor area. Another cute barnyard door, which I really think is really cute and very convenient. You get your 2 double vanity sinks, a nice soaking tub, which you can always play music and have candles, you know, when you're relaxing in the evening time, or you can have a standalone shower right here. This does come with recessed lighting. You get a separate private water closet and another private closet. Okay, so walk-in closet. So ladies, for those of you who have a very large wardrobe, such as myself, you can definitely utilize this space. And if you have a husband, I don't know, maybe he wants to use the linen closet. I'm just joking, y'all. Well, anyway, this has been a tour with your real estate queen, T. Gresh Realty. If you want to know how much this home costs, it's $480,000, located in Concord. That is the listing price. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, built in 2015. Walking trails, a fitness center, a clubhouse, an outdoor pool, and then it's very convenient to your shopping centers, and it does have schools built into the neighborhood. If you want to learn more, hit me up at 980-428-2333. Signing out.